Welcome to Pathway Entrepreneur Summer Camp, where an exciting hands-on experience awaits you in the world of retail. My name is Anson, the director of this program. In this program, you will dive into essential topics such as understanding your customers, researching your competitors, craft unique strategies to stand out in the market. Through real-world projects, you will practice everything from selecting the right products, setting up competitive prices, to managing supply chain efficiently. By the end of the camp, you will gain the practical skills to design eye-catching promotions, streamline operations, and analyze the sales data like a pro. Whether you're looking to enhance the existing retail business or start a new venture, this camp will equip you with tools and the confidence needed to thrive in the fast-paced retail industry. If you're eager to start your own business, gain practical experience of business management, or pursue a career in business, this program is a perfect fit for you. Don't miss the chance to transform your future. Sign up with Pathway Entrepreneur at Northern Academy today.